Good afternoon, everybody. Today, what we're going to do is we are going to be looking at how to write linear equations given a point and a slope. So that's our I can statement for today. Our I can statement is I can, or our learning target is I can find equation for lines given point and slope. So, what do we mean by that? So if I give you a point and I give you a slope, you're going to need to find the equation. So first, let's talk about the point slope formula. The point slope formula is y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. I want to talk about this little equation. The y1 and the x1 is actually the coordinates of a point, and we know from this time that the slope is going to be the m, if that makes sense, right? So let's take a look at an example. Number one, it says write the equation line passes to the given point and has a given slope. Write all answers in slope intercept form. So if we write the point slope formula, well, this is an x1 and this is a y1, and there's our slope. So we're going to go y minus 1 equals 2 times x minus 4. And now it's just a matter of just doing basic algebra. So over there on the right, I'm going to distribute. So I get 2x minus 8. And then I'm going to add 1 to both sides. So I get y equals 2x minus 7. There's my equation. All right, why don't you pause the video and see if you can do number 2. Let's take a look at number 3. Again, they want us to write the equation, so I'm going to write out the point slope formula, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Right? I'm going to plug in my values. So y minus 0 equals 2/3 times x minus a minus 6. That gives me y equals 2/3 x plus 6. And then I distribute. So if I distribute, I get y equals 2/3 x plus 12 over 3. And then when you reduce and simplify, you get y equals 2/3 x plus 4. Why don't you go ahead and pause the video, see if you can get number 4, and I'll see you back here in a minute. Number 5. Number 5, well, if you do y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Fill in the blanks. Y minus a minus 3 equals negative 1 times x minus 4. This becomes y plus 3. I'm going to distribute that negative 1. So negative 1x plus 4. I subtract 3 here. I subtract 3 here. I get y equals negative 1x plus 1. Seems pretty easy. Why don't you pause the video, try number 6. Looking at number 7. Looking at number 7. Number 7 is pretty simple. Same kind of thing. We're going to write the slope intercept point slope form down. Right? So now I get y minus a minus 5 equals 1/3 x minus a minus 12. Polish this up a little bit. I get y plus 5 equals 1/3 times x plus 12. Now you do distribution. So y plus 5 equals 1/3 x plus 12/3. So I get y plus 5 equals 1/3 x plus 4. Subtract 5, y equals 1/3 x minus 1. I'd like you to try number 8. Let's look at number 9. Number 9, if you just type right in the point slope formula, every single time, have you noticed that I put in the point slope formula? And then I input the values where they belong. And just the trick of this is to watch your signs. So I get y plus 9, and then I get negative 2/5 x plus 10/5. So I get y plus 9 equals negative 2/5 x plus 2. So then if I bring this over here, because you're going to do number 10 on your own here, subtract 9 here, I'm going to subtract 9 here. I get y equals negative 2/5 x minus 7. Right? So let's look at number 11. Number 11, got y minus y1 equals the slope times x minus x1. Every time I'm going to write that. Y minus a minus 1 equals negative 4/3 x minus a minus 6. This gives me y plus 1 equals negative 4/3 x plus 6. Then I distribute that 4/3. Then I reduce. Now I'm going to subtract 1. So I get y equals negative 4/3 x minus 9. So we got two more to try. We got 13 and 15. Number 13, I'm going to do the same thing. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And then I'm going to plug these in. So y minus a minus 4 equals 0, x minus 3. Well, then this is y plus 4 equals 0. So I'm just going to subtract 4. So y equals negative 4. That is a tricky one, but it's not that bad. Let's look at number 15. Again, want to write the point slope formula out. And now you got y minus 1 equals negative 1/4 x minus a minus 4. So negative 1 equals negative 1/4 x plus 4. You distribute. So y minus 1 equals negative 1/4 x minus 4 over 4. So y minus 1 equals negative 1/4 x minus 1. Then I add 1 to both sides, and I get y equals negative 1/4 x. And that's a direct variation equation. So that's it. That's slope. That's finding the equation of a line given a point and a slope. And we used point slope formula, and we got it in the slope intercept. Hopefully that makes sense. I look forward to seeing you in class, and may the force be with you.